Hello, hello, hello. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover, and we've got happy mail. Look what we got. We got our Jimmy Beans subscription. This is our monthly subscription. It's the Accessory Club. It's the Accessory Club. They have several. They've got the Malabrigo Club. They have the Blanket Club, the Shawl Club, and the Accessory Club. Each of these, the Malabrigo I think is quarterly maybe, and it's full. You can't even get into it now. The blanket and the shawl, you get something each month to add to your project. And then the Accessory Club, which is the one I did, you get yarn to make an item each month. So I've already opened the top. Ooh, it's a hank. I don't think I've gotten a hank before in here. Oh, and some soak, I'm guessing. I can tell. Yes, I love soak. This is, if you guys are not familiar with soak, this is a really good product to wash your handmaids with. I also use a product called LOC, which I purchased from Miss Dana over at Dana's Wanderlust Crochet. I'll put the link down below. That is also a wonderful product, and it just takes a drop of LOC to clean your products with. But if you don't have access to that, Soak is another good product to use. I do like both of them. Okay, this feels lovely. Do you want to see it? Do you want to see it? I won't look. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Okay, there's one in there. It's thick though. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, it's kind of twinsies. That's different. I've never seen that before. It's beautiful. Oh, those colors. Oh, so pretty. This is really different. Okay, what is this? It's called Echoes, and it's from Gusto Wool. I've not heard of this. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. It's kind of cranberry and blue and some gold. My Lord, that's beautiful. I'm guessing fingering weight. I'm guessing sock yarn. Let's see what it says. Color 1514. Needle 2.25, so that's a sock size. Hook 2.25 to 3.3. You know, that's interesting because often when you get a sock yarn type yarn, they don't give you a crochet hook size. Machine wash, cold water, do not bleach, lay flat to dry. Made in Turkey. We like the made in Turkey yarn. This is nice. Very nice. Hand dyed sock weight, merino wool nylons, superwash merino. Okay. 440 yards, 100 grams. Okay, so this is definitely sock yarn. I'm sure you know this already, but I'm going to say it again. All fingering weight is not sock yarn. Sock yarn is considered sock yarn if it is a wool nylon blend. And you don't have to use wool. I thought it had to be wool. No, it does not. It can be any kind of a thing. But if it's a wool, it needs to have some nylon in it to give it some strength, or it's going to wear right through super quick at the heel and toe and stuff. So if you're using a wool, you want some nylon in there to give it some strength. So fingering can be used for all kinds of things, but if you're going to use it for sock, typically you're going to be looking for that wool nylon blend. This is beautiful. Let's see what they're going to have us make with it. So I have pulled up, and it took me a while to figure this out. You pull up Jimmy Beans, you go to your little thingy, your account doohickey, and then you go to your subscription files. Mine is the Accessory Club, so I'm going to download my PDF, and it's socks. It's the first time it has been socks. Isn't that beautiful? That is beautiful. I have to tell you, I have not been pleased with this membership, with this subscription. I have not been pleased with it. This is the first time I've been really excited about the project. Now, one of the things about their subscription is you get a pattern every month for, let me see if I can remember. It's been a hat, it's been fingerless mitts, it's been, I have no idea, that's all I can remember. Hat and fingerless mitts. Maybe you guys can remember some of the other ones. That's all I can remember. But it is always a knit and a crochet of the same project. So we have got a knit and a crochet of the sock. The knit is called Even-Tied Socks, and it looks far too complex for me. Oh gosh, this is pretty. So you guys know I have made one sock. I have started the cuff on the second one. I've got it all boogered up, and I need to tear it out and start over. That has not happened yet. This is so pretty. Look how beautiful that is. Even-tied sock. So that's not happening. But we've got a crocheted sock here. And Miss Dana and I have been discussing off and on about doing a crocheted sock. This could be the one. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? I am really liking that. And it's called Sunset Twilight. This is gorgeous. Sunset Twilight. The patterns, I think both patterns are by Lena, I'm going to mess this up. Lena Svagerson? Skvagerson. Lena Svagerson. Look at that. Lena Svagerson. Okay. Introducing April's accessory sensation. Even-tied and sunset twilight socks crafted by Lena Svagerson. These socks are crafted with a mesmerizing color-changing yarn from Gusto wool that evokes the essence of springtime. I would have said the essence of fall. But I truly see sunset. I see sunset in that. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Perfect for both novice and experienced sock enthusiasts. I don't know, maybe. That is beauteous. Sock size. Instructions are given for the smallest size. Go up to the larger size. Using this yarn, crochet hook C2. That's a small crochet hook. I do have one though. Stitch markers, nothing weird. And then block it afterwards. Very, very interesting. What kind of a heel do they use? I'm curious because I don't know much about heels, but I know they're very, very different. What people use are really, really different. Abbreviations, socks make 2, leg, heel flap and gusset maybe? Turning heel gusset, yeah, heel flap and gusset, okay. I know a lot of people like the fish kiss, something like that. Okay, okie dokie. Now, let's look at, where's the crochet one? Where's the crochet one? Here it is. Oh man, I'm so excited because that's really pretty. And that looks more sockish than a lot of the crocheted socks that we see. I'm pretty excited about this. Extended single crochet, front post double crochet. That's probably for the cuff. Special technique, half double crochet in horizontal back bar, half double crochet in the third loop. They're going to have us standing on our hands here. Make two socks. And I'll tell you a little trick, y'all. If you're like me and you've got one sock done and one sock with one round done, you might want to do these both at the same time. Just saying. You're going to do a toe, and we're going to do a foot, and then we're going to do a gusset. I don't know how to do a gusset. I don't know how to do a gusset on a crocheted sock. And then we're going to do a heel, and then we're going to do a leg, so it's toe up. I wonder if the other one was toe up. I didn't even look on the knit one. On the knit one, it was cuff down. So cuff down on the knit, toe up on the crochet. And we're going to end with the leg. Oh, and we do a star stitch. I like a star stitch. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's pretty. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. I like that. I might make this. I might make this. Anatomy of a sock. I expect the anatomy of a sock in crochet is the same as it is on knit. What do you think? We've got the cuff, we've got the leg, we've got the heel, we've got the gusset, we've got the instep, we've got the toe. So yeah, that's the same. Super pretty. Super pretty. I'm happy. I'm happy. Okay. It says, did you love this yarn? You might also like Earth Yarns Unique Fingering. I've heard some not really great things about Earth Yarns, so I will not be trying it out. Wool Addicts Footprints. I've never heard of that. Hedgehog Fibers Skinny Singles. Let me tell you guys, Hedgehog Fibers, that is something I want to try. And I was really, 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 really hoping at some point we would end up with hedgehog fibers in one of these bags. It has not happened yet. I don't know if it's ever going to happen. Fingers crossed. All right, let's go see how much Echo's Gusto wool costs, because so far, they have not given us our money's worth on the yarn that they are providing for us in, ooh, that's pretty. The yarn that they are providing for us in these kits have not equaled what we're paying for these kits. I don't think even one time. So, let's look it up. Let's look it up. Look it up on their site. So we're going to look up Echo's. Well, let's look up Gusto Wool. Gustowool. See what comes up. Okay, Gusto Wool yarn. Gusto Wool. Okay, there we go. Gusto Wool yarn. Echo's. Oh, here we go. It is beautiful. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Lots of gorgeous colors. What is this one? Oh, they're color numbers, aren't there? This one was 1514. There's 1512, 1504, 1515. Ooh, that's pretty. 1514. Here we go. 1514. Okay. This is the exact yarn that they gave us. Exact yarn. Okay. I pay $25 for this kit. I get yarn. These are $1. Stop it. Come on. There we go. Some people give, gosh, this is pretty. Some people give a lot, some people will give a value to the patterns. I do not. Why do I not? Because there's 100 million patterns out there that are available for free. I have many, many, many patterns that I own already. And more often than not, the pattern that they provide to us is something that I'm not interested in. Even if I gave $5 value to the pattern, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, we're still not at $25. And yeah, they included shipping, which they should when you belong to a monthly club. $18.50. I don't know. I don't know. Gosh, these are pretty. Let's see if I can get over here. I am really loving the colors. I am loving the colors on this thing. Well, here we go again. I love this. I love this. I'm glad to have been introduced to this yarn. And let's be honest, let's go back to the beginning. That is why I joined this club, was to be introduced to yarns that I normally would never have been introduced to. And I have never heard of this yarn, and it is beautiful. It is beautiful. Look at those. Get over here. Look at these colors. These are stunning. Absolutely stunning. I do want to make that. I want to make those socks. So I like the yarn. I love those colors. I like the pattern. I am happy with this month's offering. I'm probably the happiest with this month's offering than I have been of any of the others. Let's go back. I think, let me look real quick, because like I said, I honestly can't remember any of the rest. Let's just go look. Okay, so last month was the fingerless mitts with the snowflakes. I remember that, and I wasn't thrilled with the yarn last month. This one had the pretty hat. And the first one, the first one had the cowl, which with all of that. And that was by the same designer. And it had all those cables. I wonder if she's designing all of these. Yes, she's designing all of these. Interesting. I think I'll go and do a search on her designs and see what else is out there. That is interesting. Yeah, I think I'm done. I'm going to call it good. I have plenty of projects out there to work on, and I think I'm done. So I love this. This is a good note to end on. This is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous wool. It is wool, and absolutely gorgeous colors. I'm glad that I found this company. I'm glad I found this yarn. I am done. I am done with purchasing these things. And I have a customer. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.